Have you ever wondered what the ingredients are to Jennifer Lopez's secret sauce of success? Can you imagine how one person can juggle between being a dancer, singer, actress, businesswoman, mother, and wife, all at the same time? In this video, we will explore J.Lo's mindset, which drives her to maintain, prolong, and enjoy her life and illustrious career. We will uncover her insane attitude to preparation for her major role in the critically acclaimed film Hustlers. We will follow the journey of a young girl who was destined to perform and became one of the most recognized figures in showbiz. So watch on to find out how to implement Jennifer Lopez's secret sauce of success into your life. We will reveal all the extraordinary methods that helped an individual just like you and me reach the peak of personal growth. Jennifer Lopez was born in New York City, in the Bronx, in 1969. Her parents moved to the United States as children from their homeland, Puerto Rico. From a young age, Jennifer grew obsessed with music. Her variety of genres swung from Afro-Caribbean rhythms to hip-hop to pop. Coupled with her love of music was a love of film. As a child, she would take regular singing and drawing lessons, a true entertainer at heart. Intriguingly, it was her acting career that took off first. In 1987, aged 18, she starred in a movie called My Little Girl. However, the movie wouldn't find much commercial success. It wasn't until 1997 that Lopez would make her stamp on the world. She starred in the biographical musical drama Selena, in which Lopez portrayed Selena Perez herself. 2 years later, she would go on to release her debut studio album, On the Six, an album featuring many of her greatest hits, an album that went triple platinum. To understand how an individual can have a successful career in showbiz for over 30 years, we must draw upon their methods used to prolong such accomplishments. So the first ingredient to J.Lo's secret sauce of success is meditation. What is meditation? There are many forms of meditation, many approaches one can take, but they all share a common goal: a heightened state of awareness, focused attention, and a healthy sense of perspective. The idea is to observe your thoughts and feelings in an effort to understand them. In Jennifer's case, her chosen method of meditation is transcendental meditation. Lopez states, "Whenever I'm high in moments of stress and anxiety in my life, I always go back to this practice." Lopez spends 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes at night practicing meditation. There are many life-changing benefits to this ancient practice. In this instance, Lopez mentions stress and anxiety, a common issue for all individuals. In some cases, it's magnified for those with huge workloads, particularly those in the spotlight. Meditation reduces stress, limiting the chances of headaches, higher blood pressure, problem sleeping, and stress-related diseases. Moreover, meditation has magnificent effects on producing a great attention span. It helps to extend the length of quality of attention and can also reverse patterns that derail focus. The positive effects that this has had on Jennifer's career are obvious. She was the first woman to have a #1 movie and album out in the same week. In addition, she has executive produced and starred in the critically acclaimed crime drama Hustlers, while simultaneously working on her personal businesses. This level of work and intensity would most likely be impossible if one was not regularly working on their mind to reach a heightened state of awareness, focus, and perspective. Lopez trains her mind twice a day to attain a level of peace and balance, allowing her to achieve more than the average person. Furthermore, the next key ingredient in Jennifer Lopez's secret sauce of success is maintaining a strong work ethic. This is not solely concerned with her career, but also her dedication to exercising. Lopez can remain extremely mindful in all she does. She sets clear goals with work, exercise, and life, remaining disciplined and dedicated in order to achieve that goal, or in numerous instances, maintain it. We can draw upon her preparation for her role in Hustlers. Her character was a pole dancer, a demanding new skill to learn. She once stated that it was one of the hardest things I've ever had to do for a role. Her response to the grueling training? She placed a pole in all her homes so she could practice whenever she could. Her mindset can be assessed here. When faced with a challenging obstacle, she faces it head-on and sets herself up in a position where she is best suited to succeed. Moreover, her motivations for the work she undertakes are centered in the right place. I've never been motivated by money. I've always been motivated by, I want to be a great actress. I want to be a great singer, a great dancer. I want to make movies. Insightful advice for those who want to achieve big. Success has come for Lopez as she has pursued her passions, not money. The money is one of the outcomes of her achieving her goals. Jennifer Lopez dedicates equal balance to all her endeavors, whether it be acting, singing, fashion designing, dancing, or even as a television host. Just when you thought the list couldn't get any bigger, the introduction of her workout routine will astound you. At 53, she claims to be in the best shape of her life. She looks it. Her impeccable shape is possible through what one of her two personal trainers describes as meticulous. Lopez rarely skips a workout. She exercises at a very high intensity 3 to 4 times a week, not including dancing or performing. The third and final ingredient to Jennifer Lopez's secret sauce of success is affirmations. So what are affirmations? Affirmations are positive statements that one can repeat to themselves with the aim of affecting the consciousness and subconscious mind. It serves as a great challenge to negative thinking patterns. Ultimately, one can program their mind to believe the repeated statements that were made. Lopez states, "I believe that your thoughts create your life, so you have to think positive thoughts all the time. You have to force yourself to think positive thoughts at times, and so I do a lot of positive affirmations. I am in perfect health. I am whole. I am good on my own. I love myself. I am youthful and timeless at every age. I am enough." The methods that J.Lo uses are scientifically proven to improve your life drastically. Dr. Joe Dispenza has conducted numerous studies finding that if you close your eyes and mentally rehearse who you're going to be when you open your eyes, you begin to install the neurological hardware in your brain to look like you've already done it. Now, the brain is a map to the future, so by rehearsing it mentally and doing it over and over again, then you might just start acting happy, achieving those goals. For Lopez, this form of manifesting has served her tremendously well in life. She provides herself with daily self-love and self-belief through her affirmations. It's unlikely that an individual who creates her own TV show, sells 25 million albums worldwide, and becomes the first Latina to earn over $1 million for one project, without self-love and belief while mentally nurturing oneself. She is a truly inspiring individual and constantly declares that anyone can do it. She is an example of how daily affirmations can heal your life and help you achieve any goal. And they can heal and improve your life too. From a young girl who dreamt of becoming an actress, singer, and dancer, to a 53-year-old woman who has achieved it all and more. Her accomplishments and accolades are endless. More importantly, she has remained centered, focused, and driven to what she wants to achieve. She gives time to herself to heal and love, transmitting rich levels of positivity into her life. Jennifer Lopez preaches to the world that we are truly limitless, and the only limits are the ones you put on yourself and create in your mind. She acts as an example of that, and anyone can adopt her philosophies, learn from them, and prove that they too are limitless. So what would you think if you were aware of the power of your own thoughts? Dare yourself to create the life of your dreams by filling your days with beautiful and positive thoughts.